Hi everyone, my name is Marissa Snow and I am third generation jewelry store business owner. And third generation means this business was started by my grandparents, who are behind me right here, in 1958. And then it was taken over by my dad, and now I have taken over. So that's 3 generations of family in the business. So of course, some of the things that we do here are sell jewelry, things like earrings, necklaces, fashion rings like this, bracelets like this, and my personal favorite, engagement rings. But another big part of our business is repairs. So we do watch repairs, from changing batteries in watches to removing links so that the watch fits you. And then also soldering chains, testing if diamonds are real or not, sizing rings, things like that. So what I want to show you guys is what our intake procedure looks like here in the store. So we use our green envelopes, and everything has a unique ticket number. The top portion is where the customer will fill out their contact information, and the lines here are for the contents that they're leaving behind, and then this box down here is for the instructions of what needs to be done to them. There are a few tools that help us in the intake procedure, and I'm going to show them to you. So for example, somebody brings this ring in and they want to size it. So what we do is we take this ring mandrel, okay, and we put the ring on it, and it's going to tell us what size it currently is. So there's little rivets in this, which you probably can't see, that tell you what finger size it is. So this is a 6.5. So let's say, for example, somebody needs to size that ring down. We use a ring sizer, and I'll show you how that works. I know I'm a finger size 6, so I'm going to find that, which these also have the finger sizes on there. So this is a 6. And when you're sizing a customer, you want to make sure that the ring is a little snug, but comfortable enough to come off, because you don't want the ring to come off when you're washing your hands. So this is a good size for me, as opposed to this, for example. This is a 7.5. This is way too big. This is not what you want. Okay, so that's a ring sizer and the ring mandrel. Another tool that we use to help us with the intake procedure is a 10 times magnifying loupe. Okay, so how this works is you put it up to your eye like this, as close as it will go, and then you bring the item that you're taking in into focus like this, okay? And it's gonna show you more details on what the item's bringing, if it has any delicate scratches, any breaks in the metal. But what we also look for here is a stamp. Usually you're gonna see a 14K stamp, which is for 14 karat gold, maybe an 18K for 18 karat, or 925, which is for silver. So we wanna make note of that. So another thing that we do here is we test diamonds. So sometimes things will come in, earrings, a ring, bracelets that look like diamond, but they're not. So for example, we'll use this ring, looks like a diamond, okay? And we have a diamond tester. Oops, other way. So what we're looking for here is for this to turn green and it'll beep. That means it's a diamond. And we use this little high temperature point here to do that, okay? So we just put some pressure here and nothing happens. Another thing too is, for example, if I accidentally go outside of the diamond, this is just indicating that it's metal. You see how that turns red there? So I'm gonna take my ring off and we're gonna test that, because I know it's diamond, and same thing, okay? So that means that it's diamond. So these are some of the tools that we use for our intake procedure. There's a lot that goes on every single day here. It's always different. It's always fun. And if you guys want to check us out online, you can visit our website, which is snowsjewelry.com, or you can visit us in person if you have any other questions. Our address is 6837 Main Street, and we're located in Miami Lakes, Florida. Hope you guys learned something new today and you have a great career day. See you soon. Bye.